Vivo is a Chinese manufacturer of Android smartphones launched in 2009. Vivo is owned by BBK Electronics, a Chinese multinational business that also owns another prominent Chinese brand, Oppo. Vivo began expanding its market outside of China in 2014 and now operates in over 100 countries. Vivo V20se price in Bangladesh. Price, 22,990 Bangladeshi Takas. Vivo V20se features a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. It features a water drop notch for the front camera. The triple 48+8+2 MP rear camera features PDAF, ultrawide, depth sensor, dual LED flash, and Full HD video recording. The front camera is 32 megapixels. The Vivo V20se is equipped with a 4100 mAh battery and supports 33W fast charging. It features 8 GB of RAM, an octa-core processor running at up to 2.0 GHz, and an Adreno 610 GPU. It is powered by a Snapdragon 665, 11nm chipset from Qualcomm. The smartphone has an internal storage capacity of 128 GB and a dedicated microSD slot. This phone features an in-display, optical fingerprint sensor. Dual SIM, face unlock, USB Type-C, NFC, and FM radio are among the other features.